To start recording your crater measurements in the spreadsheet, the first thing that you need to do is to rename the tab your group is using to record your measurements. You will use the mass of the impactor that you're using. In this case, my impactor is 50 grams, so that is what I write here. In the blue cell on the left, we're going to add the same mass of my impactor in grams, and this is going to allow the spreadsheet to calculate the impactor's velocity, kinetic energy, and momentum at impact with the flower, with the surface. And it's going to do that for 5 different heights, for 40, 80, 120, 160, 180 centimeters. On the right, we're going to add the values for diameter that we record. For my test, these are the values that I obtain. And once I complete this table, the table at the bottom is going to average my results for each of the drop heights. And it's going to average the results for the velocity, the kinetic energy, and the momentum of the impactor at impact with the surface. It's going to also average the crater depth, the diameter, and it's going to calculate for us the overhead area of the crater and the volume of the crater. When you scroll down, you will see these relationships being displayed in the 4 graphs that you see. You will see the crater depth versus impactor velocity, crater diameter versus impactor velocity, crater overhead area versus impactor velocity, and crater volume versus impactor velocity. Once every group has recorded their measurements, you can go to the first tab, where you'll see the results of each group, and this tab will allow you to compare the role of mass in the size of the crater.